Okay, this John Deere 8320 is coming in for parts. Stock number is 2815. This video is just for the cab. I want to kind of show you what was working and what's not working. Our work lights are good. No ambers at the top. We got a flasher on the right side that's good. The three back work lights are out. No flasher. We've got this bulb problem here, and something's gotten here. We're missing all of this underneath, and there's the wire broken into. Exterior of the cab looks pretty good. I did see a few fender cracks right there where it bolts up. Step inside, take a look at it. Interior looks pretty good. Headliner's in good shape. Seats in good shape. It's had Green Star, so I don't know exactly what would be included in that that's still left in the cab. Radio works. Tack works. The blower, AC blower, works. The front wiper motor works, but the blade's off of it, so I don't want to turn that on. This tractor runs and drives. So it doesn't really need much. Maybe a good cleaning. Maybe a little seal right there. But overall, tractor looks pretty good. Cab looks good. You cannot get this cab complete anymore. All you can do is buy a bare frame from Deere. We just sold one of these to a Deere dealer because he couldn't get one. So this one here, we probably won't do anything to it. Just acknowledge to you what we're seeing here. If those are any, if you want to fix anything on it, when you get it, it'd be up to you. So if you got any questions or you have something you need off this 8320, the hood does have issues. I know the hood looks really good, so that'll be the first call we get, but it's got issues. So this is for the cab. Let us know if we can help you. Thank you.